Channel partners. If every compressor sale ends at delivery, you keep paying to restart the customer relationship. Repeat business begins with the installed machine, not another generic promotion. Build a long-term factory partnership around 3 actions. Keep an installed base record, create service and spare parts contact points, and spot expansion or replacement needs early. None guarantees another order, but each makes the next decision easier to verify. First, record what was supplied and why, the application, operating pattern, configuration, air treatment scope, commissioning date, contact and service boundaries. Retain only customer permitted information. This turns a past invoice into an account map, so a new salesperson does not approach the site with no history. Second, plan contact around operating needs, not calendar spam. Ask how usage, environment, or production has changed. Discuss maintenance responsibility and routine spares before a stoppage makes decisions. Urgent. Compatibility, availability, warranty scope, and service arrangements require checks for the machine and market. They are not automatic factory promises. Third, watch for decision signals. More operating hours, a new production line, unstable air quality, repeated rental use, or an aging unit can justify a fresh application review. Remotely verify new inputs and documented configuration changes before proposing an addition or replacement. Certification, terms, and delivery timing still require case-by-case confirmation. Judge repeat business after the full cost of keeping the account, follow-up time, inventory carrying cost, travel, service labor, warranty responsibility, wrong part risk, technical verification, and acquisition. A second invoice can still produce a poor result if those costs are ignored. No factory relationship guarantees volume, margin, exclusivity, or payback. Channel partners interested in a cooperation review can use the website or email shown here. Share your country, business type, industry experience, current brands or product categories, target customers, and service capability. That gives both sides a factual basis to discuss installed base support, responsibilities, and suitable next steps.